How to use Booking.com wallet credit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Booking.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner and select Rewards and Wallet option to view your available credits. Now, search for accommodations, flights, car rentals, attractions, or taxis as usual. You will then be required to select wallet as payment method, so during the booking process when prompted for payment, choose wallet to apply your credits. Make sure that wallet credits can be used for selecting property and flight bookings, any car rental, attraction, taxi bookings, and any insurance added to your trip through Booking.com. Also, make sure to check the expiration dates of your credits in the Rewards and Wallet section to ensure they are valid for your intended booking. So, this is how you can use Booking.com wallet credit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.